Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your username in Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and open up the Start menu. You now need to type in Control Panel, and you now need to open up Control Panel. Once Control Panel is open, you now need to click on User Accounts, and you now need to click on Add or Remove User Accounts, and you now need to click on the user you would like to change the name for. I want to change the name on the old GPU, so I'm going to click on Old GPU, and you now need to click on Change the Account Name. And we can now give this user account a new name. I'm just going to call it, for example, Test2 and go change name. And there we go. It really is that easy. That user is now called Test2. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.